Trade Calgary, and we're partnering with the Canadian Fair Trade Network on an exciting initiative around fair trade fashion and doing a fair trade fashion showcase to use local designers to develop a fashion design piece using fair trade materials. We're really excited to showcase the journey of the fabric from fiber to fashion and really show the stories of the producers along the supply chain.
Two areas that Mandala focuses on. One is the organic, sustainable cotton fabric and sustainable fibers. And on the other side, what we are looking at is to see how we can create job opportunities for women, taking them out of poverty, giving them a skill and then giving them employment.
So we were working with the Canadian Fair Trade Network to find a producer of fair trade cotton that was 100% transparent and fair trade certified along the supply chain.
Working with the fabric that has been provided by Mandala Apparel has been really easy so far. It drapes absolutely beautifully because it is a natural fiber which hasn't had any treatment done to it.
For this project, I'm using my knowledge in printing with natural dyes and breakdown printing to create some fun prints on the cotton fabric that we were given. I use a lot of natural fabrics in my own practice already, so this Mandala fabric has been really easy to incorporate into my design process. It's really exciting to use this cotton gauze fabric because I use it for my scarves already. It's going to be a challenge though sewing it because it is so light and airy, but it'll come to be something really fun, I'm hoping.
Really excited about coming at fashion from a sustainable, fair trade, a more meaningful way.
I'm really excited around the Calgary aspect and what the Calgary designers are doing. Heather, Caroline, and Becky are really taking their fair trade pieces in a little bit different direction than the Vancouver designers because they're doing more everyday fashion pieces.
Because it is a natural fiber, holds pleats really nicely, which has made it really easy to do all these small pleats on my dress in the background.
I'm really hoping that this fair trade fashion showcase and having this featured at the conference is going to bring more awareness around the source of the materials. And I think it's really important to know that fashion is an everyday choice, and where you choose to buy your clothing or fashion pieces can be something that has a ripple effect to a global economy.
Working with this group for the Fair Trade Fashion Show has been a really eye-opening experience. I learned a lot more about Fair Trade Canada and what fair trade means because I didn't really know much about it before starting this project.
Right now we're putting a lot of emphasis on being sustainable as far as reusing and recycling pieces of material, but I find that there's still not enough emphasis around the source of where that fabric comes from in the first place. So that's really what we're concentrating on is let's start sourcing responsibly right from the start. And let's make fair trade fashion something that's 100% along the supply chain, not just the end result or trying to repurpose our end waste. Let's make it a true circular economy.
Every dollar we spend is a vote for what we believe in,